Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on high quality video uploads when you use only Wi-Fi on your account on X, Twitter. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile. Now click settings and privacy. Now click accessibility, display and languages. Now click data usage, and here as you see you will find high quality video uploads. Click on it and click here with Wi-Fi only, and that's it. It will be turned on. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.